Hello dear students, let's check out this particular question now. In this question, a particle of mass m and charge plus q1 moves diametrically through a uniformly charged sphere of radius r and total charge minus q2. If plus q1 performs simple harmonic motion, then its time period is. So we have an arrangement where we have a sphere of radius capital R, okay, and a charge plus q1 moves diametrically through a uniformly charged sphere of radius r, correct? So we have plus q1 charge that is moving diametrically. Clear? Let us suppose that this particular charge is placed at a distance of r from the center of the sphere. So we can consider a Gaussian surface, a spherical Gaussian surface for this particular charge, and this charge is moving diametrically, correct? Also it is performing simple harmonic motion diametrically. Clear? I hope this situation is clear to all of you. Now the question says that the sphere is uniformly charged, and if it is uniformly charged, therefore it is non-conducting sphere, and the total charge on the sphere is minus q2. So if we calculate the electric field inside non-conducting sphere due to minus q2 charge, it will come out to be minus k q2 over r cube into r, correct? Also if we calculate the force acting on q1 charge because of q2 charge, it will be equal to minus k q1 q2 over r cube into r, if we consider the vector form, correct? Now we know as the particle or charged particle plus q1 is performing simple harmonic motion, therefore acceleration can be written as minus omega square into r, correct? Because it is performing simple harmonic motion having an amplitude r. Clear, students? Now as this particular force of attraction between q1 charge and q2 charge is responsible for the acceleration of q1 charge, therefore what we can write? We can write F is equal to ma, therefore minus k q1 q2 over r cube into r is equal to minus m r omega square, correct? And this r can cancel out, minus can cancel out, and omega would come out to be under the root k q1 q2 over m r cube. Now we need to calculate the time period of SHM performed by plus q1 charged diametrically. So time period is given by the expression 2 pi by omega. Therefore time period would come out to be 2 pi under root m into r cube over k q1 q2. So this is the time period of the plus q1 charged particle performing SHM. So according to our calculation, now here time period is equal to 2 pi. I am just substituting the value of k. K is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Therefore it becomes mr cube over q1 q2 into 4 pi epsilon naught, correct? So according to our calculation, option number 1 must be the correct answer. Let's verify this with our answer slide. So option number 1 is the correct answer here, okay? I hope this particular question is clear to you. Thank you.